Thanks for watching this video on Apple stock. This is just an update of one of my previous videos on Apple. Actually, it's the last week's video. The idea is always to hold because we got this amazing simple tool of technical analysis, that it is the exponential moving average, telling us that this is 600, but you can do it also with the 400, and you can see that it worked sometimes as bottom for this rally, so giving importance to this exponential moving average between 500 and 600, but we got that this one has been broken during last weeks, and giving it means that this one can be seen as weakness signal of this market. So the best option for Apple as we are right now is just to hold, stand aside before going long. Why going long? Because the major trend is a bullish trend, as we can see the slope of this exponential moving average. Why? This is the reason why it's very trustworthy, one of the most trustworthy tools in technical analysis, because it's easy to understand. It's just telling us that we are in a bullish trend, and it helps us to define the major trend. In fact, the major trend is a bullish trend. The slope is an upward slope. It's an upward slope, so it's sloping upwards, so it means that we are in a bullish situation. Bullish market, the idea is to go long, to invest always in the trend direction. We are in a weakness signal was there, so the best option is not to go short, because we don't want to go short in a bullish market unless there is a reversal signal that I was not able to find, at least for now. So the best option now is to hold and see what's going to happen in the next days. What does it mean? So let's go more in technical analysis details. This one is kind of, I will call it a secondary trend. I will show you in a bit the major trend, but this one is the secondary trend. And as we are right now, we got this bullish trend, as I was telling you before. We got this peak that is higher than the previous one, also higher than this big one, so it's good signal of strength of this market. But now we are in this price retracement stage. The best option is to hold, because worst case scenario is this stock can go down up to this $1 or $3. I don't think this is the case, but it might be an option. And what we can say, what we can do next. The idea is to hold, and just the idea is to hold for now, and we can go long only if this support level of 126.1.0 US dollar is gonna be broken. So let's see what's gonna happen next days. If this support level of 126 US dollar will be broken in the next days or weeks, the idea would be to go long with first target price of 139 US dollar and second target price of 145 US dollar. But as we are right now, best option is to hold before going long. To go long, we need to wait at least this support level will be broken upwards, and see that at least for a couple of days or 3 days in a row, the close price of a daily candlestick will be always above 126 US dollar. If it will happen in the next days or weeks, the idea is to go long. As we are right now, just hold, because prices can go down up to 103 US dollar. Most unlikely it's not gonna happen, but it's a case scenario. So we need to be aware of this case scenario, and this is the reason why we should hold right now. This is, as I was telling you, this is secondary trend, because if I'm gonna do a quick, major trend update, but we can do it together, what I can see is something like that. 1, we can see something like that. 2, yeah, 3. This is what can happen really next. So this is what I might expect as major trend. So this is maybe a case scenario, but again, before being a case scenario, this is the major trend. We need, it's something like that. Perfect. There it is. A little bit more. It maybe also change the slope. Yeah, of course. This is a trend line that this is might keep changing. It's a tentative trend line, because it's only 2 points. This one, of course, the trend line can change slope, but this is what I can see as major trend. So again, but before going long we need to wait that resistance level will be broken, as I was showing you before. Here it is. We need to wait that this with this this is resistance level of 1.26 US dollar will be broken before going along. This one is also support because you worked as support, now it's gonna work as resistance. Of course, when I say support and resistance, of course they can be inverted. So this one, in this case, we should be a resistance of 126 US dollar, and we need to broke it before going long. This is my interpretation of this stock. Thanks, bye.